Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification bell. Subscribe to NEWLINK YouTube channel and go stop ping on the notification. NEWLINKs, top vlogger. Big up NEWLINKs cause him a top vlogger. Vlogging it.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up all yourself, man. Everybody, big up. You don't know, so the attacking boss is here in a NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. And I mean say attack. So my viewers and my subscribers, the question what other people been asking in Jamaica, around the world, you understand, when the crime and violence in Jamaica will be over? When will this thing be declined? Because on a daily basis, my people, year by year, stage by stage, we have seen where it's getting worse and worse. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. So my viewers and my subscribers, one of the latest murders to rock Jamaica now, my viewers and subscribers. It's about a killing yesterday, my people, which is Saturday, January the 21st, 2023, my people. And it's a former member of the Jamaica Constabulary Force, which is the JCF. So my viewers and my subscribers, them say sometime in the night, you understand, after 8:30 p.m, my people, this former police officer was at his house over there in Seaford in St. Thomas, Jamaica, my people. So them say I go about him business now. So by the time if you come out him house, the people reach towards him gate, an unknown assailant that my viewers and subscribers roll up on him. No chat, nothing, my people. Bop. Beat it out on him. You know what I mean? Then they fled. Close by residents, hear explosion and thing, them run go, they go look my people and them look them fine. This man now my people suffering from gunshot wounds. You know what I mean? Them rush him to the hospital and there he was pronounced dead. Eh? A lot of people say them cannot believe. A lot of people say this youth was a good youth, my people. You understand? He did it time, my people, in the Jamaica Constabulary Force. Finish it and whatever happen, I don't know what if him decide to left or something go down. You understand? But all I have to say, my viewers and subscribers, when will this thing be over? Eh? When will it be over? When will it be finished? And you just don't know. Because the things that are weird, my people. Number one, it was a hit on him. Number two, he was targeted, my people. And them know exactly where he is, my people. Them know the timing, say I'm going to cut out that time there. You get what me I say? So there's nothing far to check, my people. Somebody who have close attachment to this man do involve in this thing, my people. That do causes his life. Eh? My people, me I tell us we in a trouble with a problem and me tired to say it, my people. Eh? You just don't know who is next. And I'm saying to you, my people, because you don't know me always do some look of chuck in the vlog them, you know. Eh? A lot of people at times do put themselves in situation and problem, my people, and them know what time it is. Any Jamaican that tell us, yo, you don't know what time it is now, a serious time, you know what I mean? A lot of people, because of money and this and that, my people, they find themselves in some problem. And when things go down, oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK, well, I got my people, 3 points that cut away, 3 points that take with my people. You get what I'm saying? But it's a really sad situation, man. You cannot live in your own country in peace. Eh? Every day is a bap. Jaja sees, Jaja knows. So I want to send out my deepest condolences to the family, you know what I mean, of this former police people, and may his soul rest in peace. And for the perpetrators, them I hope they can do some investigation and they do find them and think my people. But all me can say, yo, Jamaica, man, it's set away my people. So big up on yourself, you know, and thanks to love, the support, the like, the share, and every comment. So I don't know, say, one team, one dream, one scheme. Peace out, my people. Blessings. Big up.